Namaskaram to all of you. I am Tanvi Gupta Bajoria. So today we will be talking about is कि why Isha practices are not offered free of cost. ये क्वेश्चन मुझसे बहुत सारे लोगों ने पूछा है कि सिंस इट्स स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिस और इसको ईशा वाले फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में क्यों नहीं देते हैं। तो आज मैं आप सब लोगों को उसके रीजंस बताना चाहती हूँ कि वाई दीज प्रैक्टिसेस आर नॉट ऑफर्ड फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग विच आई ऑल्सो बिलीव कि अगर हम कोई भी प्रैक्टिस सीखते हैं इट कॉस्ट देम समथिंग, राइट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर ईशा वाले हमें इनर इंजीनियरिंग की प्रैक्टिस सिखा रहे हैं गुड़गांव के अंदर, तो उनको एक जगह की कॉस्ट के पैसे देने पड़ते हैं, यू नो, वेयर दे आर टीचिंग अस। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल आता है, एक बेसिक वाटर फैसिलिटीज़ आपको दी जाती हैं, आपको ईटेबल्स के लिए जो एक बेसिक नेसेसिटी होती है दैट ऑल्सो दे प्रोवाइड यू. So it is our duty that we must pay for the services we are getting, right? So I feel ki, you know, if they are charging us something, it's fine. एंड सेकेंड थिंग जो मैं आप सब लोगों को बताना चाहूँगी, इट्स अ नोशन, यू नो, इन कंट्रीज़ लाइक इंडिया कि अगर कोई स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिस यू नो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दी जा रही है तो हम उसको सोचते हैं यार ये तो अच्छी नहीं होगी, ये एम सी होगी, बिकॉज ये तो फ्री में ही दी जा रही है। एंड व्हेन वी गिव 4 और 5,000 रुपीज़, हम इतनी ऑडासिटी रखते हैं कि हम उन प्रैक्टिसेस को जाकर एटलीस्ट वॉट एवर दे हैव टू से हम जाते हैं और हम सुनते हैं। अगर हमारे अंदर इतनी सीरियसनेस है to learn something new and to, you know, start a new perspective to our lives, तभी हम उसके लिए 4 या 5,000 रुपीज़ पे करके उसको सीखते हैं। सो आई स्ट्रांगली फील कि अगर हमें कोई भी चीज़ बहुत ही फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिल जाती है तो हम उसकी उतनी वैल्यू नहीं करते हैं, एंड वंस वी पे फॉर सच प्रैक्टिसेस तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली होता है विल गो एंड विल लिसन। And third thing, Sadhguru always says this कि you know practices like Shambhavi Mahamudra और जितने भी advanced programs है ईशा के, it is costing Sadhguru his own life. And मुझे 3.5 साल हो गए हैं ये practices करते हुए, and I can sense it in many ways. It is costing his own life. तो ये आई नो फॉर अ बिगिनर एंड फॉर अ पीपल जिन्होंने ईशा प्रैक्टिसेस नहीं किए, उनके लिए शायद ये समझना भी बहुत मुश्किल है कि व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इट इज कॉस्टिंग सदगुरु's own life. But gradually once you get initiated into these practices and once you'll understand more of it, then you will realize कि you know it is actually. So that is one thing which you know Sadhguru always says कि I really need serious people who are actually serious to learn, not like कि आप ऐसे ही आ रहे हो and that's then only he'll initiate them into powerful practices such as Shambhavi Mahamudra. And I wanted to tell you ईशा के जितने भी advanced programs and they are actually offered free of cost. And it's because you know you have developed that seriousness, now you understand Isha in many ways, तभी आप उसके advanced programs करना चाह रहे हो, you understand what they are teaching you, तो आप जाते हो। तो रेस्ट ऑफ द प्रोग्राम्स डेफिनेटली आपको आश्रम में ही सीखने पड़ते हैं, सच एज BSP और शून्य मेडिटेशन और समयमा। सो दे आर लाइक फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, यू नो, दे डोंट चार्ज यू मच इन दोज प्रोग्राम्स. So this is the reason. And fourth perspective is which I think because Sadhguru wants to reach out to the world, not just 1 lakh people, 10,000 people, not like that. He wants to reach to 7 billion people. Definitely the organization needs some money. You can't reach to the world without money in your hands. And if your target is reaching 7 billion people and initiating them into Shambhavi Mahamudra, so I think it needs money. And आश्रम में 2500 लोग रहते हैं, उनको खाना फीड करना और उनको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट का वो देना, फॉर प्लेस टू लिव वेयर दे कैन स्लीप एंड ऑल, तो डेफिनेटली इट इज़ कॉस्टिंग देम, राइट. सो आई स्ट्रांगली फील दैट इट इज़ आवर ड्यूटी कि हम जो भी दे सकते हैं वी शुड गिव. एंड that's why they are even charging for the spiritual practices which they are teaching us. Definitely they need money to reach out to 7 billion people, and establishing the ashrams, and they are such places which are consecrated spaces, and to create such environment for all of us, everything costs, right? So that's why probably they are charging for the spiritual practices. Now I want you to listen to what Sadhguru has to say. It is only for the 3 minutes. He has also spoken like why the Isha is charging for the spiritual practices. He has his perspective in his ways, and I want you to listen to it as well. And thank you very much. If you have any questions for me, anything you want to know, and you agree or you disagree with these perspectives, I would happy to take any of your questions, and thank you very much for.
Sadhguruji, my friend Smita told me that Isha Foundation in Coimbatore is a wonderful place to…
Don't believe what she says.
I believe in her. And she also educated me about the various courses you conduct there to benefit the body and mind and soul. My question is, so I am used to, know about the colleges right from my olden times. All the colleges, some schools, they practice the admissions to conduct in two kinds. One is donation, whoever can afford, and the other one is by merit. Now, my question is, what is the merit you see in a devotee or in an applicant to be able to join Isha Foundation courses without paying any nominal fee? It's not a complaint, but there must be some merit for some people. What is that merit? I want to define the merit.
See, if you want to get into an university, you're looking for a certain kind of competence. If you want to get into your school, a certain different kind of competence. But you want to get into spiritual process. So you must understand this, when it comes to individual bodies, they are differently capable. When it comes to individual minds, they're differently capable. When it comes to the inner dimension, all of us are equally capable. So because everybody has merit, they have to pay donation. Now now the thing is, there was a time when I experimented no donation programs. No donation, just come, free, we will do it. Even now there are many programs which are free. But now we have acquired a certain reputation, so people sit, but even now just see, those few people are walking up and down, they're leaving just now, okay? If they had paid 5,000 rupees, they wouldn't be leaving. This is just a gossip session between you and me, so it's okay, they can go halfway through the gossip, no problem. But when I want to deliver a spiritual process, it costs my life. If I don't throw out my energy, it's not going to happen. With words, it's not going to happen. Ask people who have been through the programs, they get blown away. They're not getting blown away by nothing. Because it costs life. You have to throw your life into it. I don't want to throw my life at irresponsible people. And I've seen, unfortunately, it's still true for most human beings. If they say, I'm going to come for this program for 3 days, their word unfortunately is not good enough. In between, if they get a message, Sadhguru, I need to go, they'll say. So make them pay 15,000 rupees. They don't go.
There must be a cost, there must be a…
Yes. So all our initial programs, first 2 levels of programs, they must pay. But the 3rd level of program, all the advanced programs, there are no fees. By then they have matured, then they are trustworthy. Once they say they will be there, they will be there. So, after the 2nd level of program, none of the programs have any fee.